welcome back to my channel and welcome to my Amazon gift guide. I'm getting this up a little bit later than I wanted to, but hopefully this will still be a good source for you guys, especially if you are looking for any last minute gift ideas. I think I have like 95 to 100 gift ideas from Amazon that will all be linked down below. It's gonna kind of be a speed round gift guide, so hopefully you guys enjoy it. If you like my gift guides, give this one a thumbs up so that I know, and subscribe down below if you haven't already. I would love to have you guys follow me over on Instagram and the Like to Know It app if you're not already, where I post more daily content. Also, go ahead and follow me on Amazon. So I have an Amazon storefront and I go live at least once a month on Amazon Live. Definitely follow me over there. You'll be notified when I go live or if I add something to my storefront, all of that good stuff. We do have a lot to cover though, so let's just go ahead and get started. Our first gift idea is for the fitness lover in your life. These adjustable kettlebells are so cool. It's a 5 to 12 pound kettlebell set and you can just stack them to get heavier weight. I actually own these and I was gonna hold them up for you guys, but they are heavy. So I'm just gonna pop a picture up here. These are really cool. They come in a couple different color schemes. I think any fitness lover who likes to do home workouts would absolutely love having a set like this at their little home gym. Next up, a classic Amazon gift is an Echo Show. If you guys don't own one of these, they are seriously super cool. Out of all of the Echo devices that Amazon sells, the Echo Show is my favorite and my most recommended gift option because it has a screen, it looks really nice, it's great for families. You can put it in your kitchen or your family room. It can keep everyone up to date on the calendar. You can video chat with other family members. There's so many things that you can do with a device like this, especially for like moms, dads, grandparents. This is amazing. I always love recommending some sort of water bottle for a gift idea. It's something that most people use every single day. I recently picked up this one and I love it because of the size. It's huge. I also really like the color. You can get these in multiple different colors. It's just great. It makes you drink so much water in a day. I believe this is 50 ounces. You can open it to kind of like gulp out of it, or you can use the straw, of course. If you have someone who loves hair and makeup, another gift idea is this curling iron from Bedhead. It's super affordable, you guys, and it's just super unique. So even if she has like a bunch of curling irons, she most likely does not have one like this. This is a bubble curling iron, and what it does is it actually creates waves because it's creating different size waves in one strand of hair. You cannot go wrong if she is into beauty. One of my absolute favorite gift ideas to recommend is Truff hot sauce. It is basically a hot sauce that is infused with truffle oil. If you have a person in your life who is a foodie or they just love hot sauce or love truffle or both like me, then bam, this is the perfect gift idea. They have really cute gift sets as well. It's something like a lot of people aren't gonna necessarily want to buy themselves, but if they receive it as a gift, by all means, you know. They also have pasta sauce, mayonnaise, all infused with a luxurious truffle oil. Another fun Amazon home device that would be a great gift if the person you're buying for doesn't already own it would be a Ring doorbell. It's basically just a video doorbell. You put it on the outside of your house. You can see what's happening at your house, who is ringing the doorbell, of course. If you pay for the Ring subscription, it'll also record the footage. So if something happens to your house, you can go back and see who was there, what happened, if you have a package go missing, all of that sort of stuff. They also sell a chime, which we have, that actually lets you hear if someone's like physically ringing the doorbell. It'll like chime like a traditional doorbell throughout your house. A little Ring doorbell plus the chime set would be a great gift option. I also love giving people a hand cream set for Christmas. It's just something generic that a lot of people need because everyone gets dry hands in the winter time. Of course, I love the little packaging, but the star of the show, the hand creams themselves, are really good as well. Like I said, just such a simple gift, but something that I feel like a lot of people could use. If you're looking for a gift for the beer lover in your life, I love these wooden 6-pack holders that have the bottle opener on the side. Such a cool gift. I know my husband oftentimes, if we're going over to a friend's house, he will stop and get a 6-pack, and this would just be cool to like kind of keep in your car. If you get a 6-pack, put the beers in there, and bam, you have it to carry around the party or a friend's house that you're going to, and you even have a bottle opener on the side. It's just such an all-around great gift. I also like the look of it. It's very rustic, and I feel like a lot of guys would like this. If you have a techie person in your life, I love my iPhone charging station. So I have one that charges my iPhone, my Apple Watch, and my AirPods all in one place. It is so convenient. Every single night when I go to bed, all of my little Apple items just have a place to go, and it is very convenient. If you have someone in your life who is an Android person, Boo. Just kidding. But if you have someone like that, they also sell wooden ones that are not necessarily a charging station, but just kind of like a tech organization station. So that would be a good option as well. Another gift idea I love and would love to like have myself is a scratch off poster. So basically you buy this poster, they each have different themes. The one I would be interested in is the 100 greatest movies of all time, and you scratch off when you've watched them. I think this would be so fun, especially for a family room. Once you're complete, you can say, hey, we watched the 100 greatest movies of all time. You can also get them for like baseball stadiums. I've thought about getting that one for my husband. States, countries, like anything like that, just a scratch off poster for them to hang up and scratch off different things they've completed. A pair of sneakers is always a good idea. One of my favorites is the Adidas Swift Run sneakers. I literally have these in 3 colors, I believe, maybe 4, but they are just the best, most basic sneakers that are super comfortable to walk in, but also are pretty stylish. They come in a lot of different colors. They're really affordable for nice sneakers. Everyone wears tennis shoes, so this would be a nice option. Also a great gift for a fitness lover is one of those scales that's like a body analyzer scale. This scale is so cool. I personally would not own a scale unless it had this aspect. It basically tells you your water weight, your muscle mass, your BMI, all of that stuff immediately when you step on the scale. Ours connects through an app on our phone, so it's really easy to track your progress and see where you started and what your stats are like a month from now or whatever. So it's really nice. I think anyone would like this. I'm not even like super into fitness, but I really love this. Another classic gift option is a silk pillowcase. Amazon is where it's at when it comes to silk pillowcases. This one is a beautiful leopard option, super affordable. Get a little closer so you guys can see the leopard pattern better. If you don't know, silk or satin pillowcases are great for your hair. It doesn't make your hair as frizzy. They're also great for your skin. I love my pillow to be cold, and the fabric of the silk just kind of gets a little bit more cold at night. And this one is really nice also because it actually zips up. So instead of being open on the end, you can zip it up. If you have someone in your life who is very into their faith, this prayer journal would also be a good gift idea. We gifted this to Patrick's sister last year and she really loves it. Super interactive, but it's also like not too much to do in one day. It's really simple, but a nice faith-based gift, which I know a lot of people are really into. Another one of my favorite gift ideas from Amazon is a keepsake recipe book. It's so beautiful. So it even has tabs here on the side. So you can flip, for instance, to main courses. You can actually do a little table of contents there as well. So as you can see here, I wrote out this recipe for our favorite chili, and there are so many pages. It actually comes with little recipe cards too that you can tear out and give to somebody. And then also in the beginning, you have conversion charts and stuff like that in your little keepsake book as well. All around a great product. Any recipe that I love and we cook over and over and over again, I just write it down in here. And if we, are planning our meals, I just grab this and I know exactly what ingredients to get. I think a bathtub caddy is also a great gift idea. I gifted this to my mom last Christmas actually. It's just basically an item that allows you to put like a book or an iPad, a Kindle, maybe a candle, maybe some snacks or a glass of wine. Anything that you need or want while you're taking a bath, they can lay it all out right there. If you know someone takes baths often, this is a great idea. If your man is in the workplace, I think a little portfolio type work pad is a great gift idea. My husband has this. I gifted it to him a few years ago, but he loves this. He has used it every single day since he got it. It keeps all of your documents and files and paperwork in one place. It also has a little notepad for you to write notes. It has a little calculator, multiple pockets for smaller items as well. Whatever you need for work, it can all go in there seamlessly, and it just looks really, really nice. Next up, a name necklace is always a good gift idea. I'm actually wearing mine from Amazon, super affordable, and this is probably my most worn necklace at this current time in my life. I love it. I love the font. It's like an old English font. The listing for this one has like 100 names, so if your person has like a fairly generic name, they also have a couple more unique ones, so just check on there and see if they have your name that you're looking for. But they have so many names pre-made, ready to ship, ready to go. It has held up so nicely, and it's just such a nice personalized gift. For the wine lover, this is a great option. This is a wine carrying bag. So this allows you to carry 4 bottles of wine on the go. It has an insulated interior and a little Velcroed section that allows you to section off each bottle of wine. And the material is so sturdy, you guys. It is very, very durable. I believe this comes in a couple other colors. I just went with the beige and cognac. It's just very classic. Just super convenient for travel, or if they're taking wine over to a friend's house, whatever the case may be. Speaking of wine, one thing that goes great with wine is a charcuterie board, and I think this is another great gift option. I've mentioned this exact charcuterie board in several gift guides. I didn't bring it downstairs because I'm just not even dealing with that, but I'll insert a picture of it. I love this charcuterie board. I bought it for a gift for my sister-in-law and I own it myself. It's a circular charcuterie board. It has an indentation where you can put crackers. It also has these little white dishes I love because you can put grapes and olives and nuts or whatever you want to put in there. And it actually slides open to reveal 4 little miniature cheese knives, which is a great touch. Next, another beauty gift is a set of makeup brushes. These are by Vanity Planet and they are the oval makeup brushes. This is kind of like a dupe for the Artis makeup brushes that are like hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of dollars. They are so expensive. I've already taken all of mine out, but this is how they'll come presented. You can kind of see the indentions of where the brushes would be. Even just the packaging alone is a really nicely presented gift. So they have like really little ones for your eyes. It also comes with like really big ones. And then this one I use for foundation. It's kind of like a larger one, but not quite as large as the body one. You can see I've used this one a lot for foundation. But yeah, you get the point. I think this is a great gift idea for a beauty lover. Next up, this is kind of random, but a stand-up steamer is an amazing gift idea for really anybody who just goes out often. Maybe they're in the workplace, especially if they do influencing stuff like I do. I love my stand-up steamer. It's so convenient. I don't have to continuously fill the water. I just flip a switch, turn it on, hang up my clothes, and I can steam everything right there super easily. I've used it for almost a year now and I really love it and I think it's a game changer. This next gift I feel like is kind of an obvious one, but a Kindle is always a good idea if you have someone in your life who loves to read. They have some that actually feel like paper. They have some that are completely waterproof. It's insane the amount of options with e-readers we have these days, and they're actually pretty affordable and they come in a couple different colors. So I think that would be a really fun gift. This white knife set is adorable, you guys. This is so beautiful. It would look great in almost any kitchen if they just got a house or if you just happen to know that they need a new knife set. This is a great option. It's actually more affordable than it looks. We've been in our house for 2 years and we still don't have like a nice knife block. So I think this would be a great gift idea for a lot of people. Again, for a fitness lover, the Bala bangles are a great gift option. These are basically wrist weights that you can wear during a workout, during a walk. They're just like 1 to 2 pound weights and you just wear them for like a little bit of added difficulty to your workout, or if you're doing yoga, these are good if you want a more like advanced option. They come in their own little carrying case, and once again, a great thing to gift someone who might not want to buy it themselves. This Marshall speaker is another thing that I think would be great for a homeowner. It looks so sleek. My brother and sister-in-law actually have this at their house, and every time I go to their house, I'm like, oh my God, that looks so good. And it's just a really nice quality speaker that you can connect to your phone, play music throughout your house, but it kind of looks a little bit more old school and the sound quality is amazing. So this has definitely been on my wish list for a while. I always think a tote bag is a nice gift for any woman in your life, especially if she is in the workplace and carries a lot of stuff back and forth, maybe her laptop or paperwork, different things like that. Or even if the person just really likes to travel. My favorite ones on Amazon are the Marc Jacobs ones that say the tote bag. These are actually pretty affordable. They're under $200, which I feel like is great for a designer tote bag. If you're looking more for like the travel kind of tote bag, I love these from Amazon that have different quotes on them. They say road trip, weekend vibes, different things like that. Those are really cute too. Next, the Soda Stream is another great gift option in my opinion. If you have someone in your life that loves sparkling water, they can make their sparkling water at home. These also look really chic in a kitchen. I love the color schemes. They actually have one that's like a white and rose gold. Very beautiful, and they're kind of slim, so I feel like they wouldn't take up a lot of space. Basically comes with the carbonation, the actual machine that makes the water bottles, and a couple different flavor options too. Anyone who likes sparkling water and drinks it regularly, there's no way they're not gonna like this. If you're looking into a men's wallet from Amazon, I purchased this one for my husband a couple years ago and he loves it. It is basically just a normal leather looking wallet. It opens up here just like that, holds your money. As you can see, he has like insurance cards, things like that on the inside, but then his credit cards are actually right there. You just click this little button on the side and they all pop up in a little fan, which makes it really easy to decide which card to use, and then you just push them all back down just like that. He probably will never own a wallet that doesn't do something like this. He absolutely loves it. Let's talk a couple more wine related gifts. Wine glasses are always a great gift idea. I love my square wine glasses that I got from Amazon. Anyone who's into wine and a trendier, like modern kind of vibe to to their house is going to fall in love with these square wine glasses. You could also get a more unique wine glass, like the Host ones that you freeze and you can just pour your wine in and it'll immediately chill your wine. I love these because I always forget to chill my white wine. So if I forget to chill it, I'll just pull out one of my frozen Host glasses, pour it in, and immediately I have chilled wine. If you're looking for a more unique wine related gift, these are the Wand wine filters. Basically, it's just a little wand that you put in your wine while you're drinking it, and they prevent headaches, congestion, or skin flush from drinking wine. So if you've ever drank wine and you just like get a really bad hangover or just different side effects from it, it could be from the antihistamines that are in the wine. So what this does is just remove some of those so you're not gonna feel the effects as bad. I've personally used these. I get really hot when I drink red wine, like my face feels like it's on fire. So these have actually really helped for me. If I know I'm gonna have a long wine drinking night, these are my go-to, and I think they would be a really fun and unique gift for any wine lover. A lot of people are really into juicing right now, so if you have someone who's kind of into that, then a juicer would be a great gift option. Honestly, I don't know much about these, but I will link one that is really highly reviewed. I think this is a cool concept, especially if you have kids or you're really into health and fitness. A juicer would be a great option. You just buy fruit at the store and make your own juices right at home. I know people have been really into the celery juice trend. I'm sure you could make like orange juice or any kind of juice really, so that would be really fun. My favorite neck massager is also an amazing gift idea. I don't even know where it's at right now. I used it in a video and I guess I've misplaced it, but I love this idea. I included it in my women's gift guide this year as well, but I love this. It goes over your shoulders, you put your arms in it, and you can kind of like direct it where to massage on your back. It is heated, it has multiple different levels, and it can actually rotate. This is just like the perfect relaxation gift. Another gift for the beauty lover is a Tatcha lip mask. This is the Tatcha Kissu lip mask, and it's in this really pretty red packaging, and the product is actually red as well. Tatcha just does everything like so luxurious and nice feeling. A lip mask is just a great gift for anybody because honestly, most people usually struggle with dry lips in the winter time, so this would be great for anyone. And the Tatcha lip masks are incredible. They just like really make your lips feel plump and hydrated. Very random, but these shower steamers are also a great gift idea. Our house does not have bathtubs at all, so these are an awesome option instead of like a bath bomb. You basically put these on the floor of your shower and they just provide an aromatherapy experience to your shower. So these are the relief ones, which have a eucalyptus and mint scent. They also have a calming one for nighttime showers to kind of like calm you and make you ready for bed. They also have an energizing one if you take showers in the morning. I think these are a really unique gift, something that a lot of people have never heard of. A fun game is always a good gift idea. So I have two that I'm gonna recommend. Number one is like more of a family fun game, and that is Telestrations. This is such an interactive game. My family absolutely loves it. Basically, you sit in a circle, each person gets a word, you then have to draw that word, and then you keep passing it around the circle, and each person guesses, and then the next person will draw their guess. The next person will guess what the previous person drew, so on and so forth until it gets back to the owner of the booklet, and you will present it, and you can kind of see what your word started as and what everyone thought it was and where it ended up. And it's really funny if you have like a single, like more young kind of friend. The For the Girls game is another one of my favorites. This game also gets hilarious if you're with your girlfriends. It makes you do different dares and questions, like truth or dare kind of situation, but it's really fun and can get kind of risque. A throw blanket is another classic gift idea. I love this zebra printed one that I picked up recently. It's very trendy, modern, but also still neutral at the same time. It's really, really soft, not too heavy, easy to wrap up, all the good things. There's so many different throw blankets on Amazon, but this one is my personal fave. So this next item is going to be kind of hard to show you guys, but this is a garment bag that actually rolls up to look like a duffel bag. If you have someone in your life that travels a lot, especially if they travel for work and have to bring nice outfits, suits or dresses, different things like that, this is such a cool gift idea. This is the top of the garment bag, and you just put your stuff in right here. It unzips. It goes all the way down, of course, and even has this extra space here, and you actually fold this up on either side. Just zip that up, and then once you have it like that, you just attach the zipper here on the side. Depending on how big your clothes are, you could actually fit stuff in there too. Zip it up just like that. Bam! Your garment bag becomes a duffel bag. Love that idea. I love any like innovative travel item. So this next gift is so freaking random, but we got this for my brother. He requested it like last year, I believe, and that is a butter churner. I know it's a very niche gift, but like I feel like everyone has those like very very old school kind of, they love unique gift type people in their life, and this is a great gift for them. You put all the like ingredients or whatever, and you sit there and like churn the butter yourself. It's just a miniature one, but that's a really cute kind of antique feeling gift. If the person you're buying for is in need of a coat, Amazon has one of my favorite coats of all time. It's hanging up in my closet over there, so I'll insert a clip of me wearing it or just a picture of the model. It comes in so many different color options. I love all the detail to it. It has so many zippers, has a hood, it's lined really nicely. I like the length of it. It like covers the butt, but it's not super long. Such a winter staple, and you can't go wrong with buying someone something that they need. We skipped over one wine gift, and that is an electric wine opener. I live and die by an electric wine opener, and I recently picked up this one that's white and rose gold, and I love it. This is so chic sitting in my kitchen. It just looks great, looks very expensive, but it's not. It's pretty affordable. If you've never used an electric wine opener, it's really easy. You just put this down on the bottle, hit the button, and it basically does all the work for you. It also comes with a foil cutting tool, which is great. Can't go wrong with this. If the person drinks wine and they don't already have one, they will love it. A nice kitchen appliance is always a good idea too. My two personal gifting faves would be either the Instant Pot or the air fryer. If the person you're buying for doesn't already own these things, then you've got to jump on that trend because they will love them. The Instant Pot is good for people who like to make sauteed veggies, soups, chilies, rice, lots of different things like that. The air fryer is my personal favorite. You can do everything in here. You can make chicken, any frozen foods definitely are so good in here. Chicken nuggets, tater tots, french fries. You can also make salmon in here. Crispy Brussels sprouts in there are so good. Basically a healthier way to get that crunchy, more fried texture to your foods. Another really fun gift, especially if you're buying this for a family or maybe even like a younger person, they would have a blast with a karaoke mic. It's basically a microphone, but it also plays music. So you can play music and sing along with the music. You can do echo effects to it. This is great if you have someone that lives in an apartment or a smaller area, or like I said, for kids or younger people where you don't want to be like blasting a full karaoke machine. This is also great for long road trips and different things like that. No matter what, I think this is a great, fun, little unique gift. For the mom or the family person, these are another awesome gift idea. These are little sticky pads that you can actually attach to your stainless steel refrigerator, and they are not going to damage it or leave a mark at all. That is what the purpose of these is. You can get multiple different combinations. You can get the whole set that has like a chore chart, a calendar. I just got 2 of the weekly planners to just kind of plan out meal plans here, and it's not actually like a sticker material. It's just kind of like a cling material that's going to cling to your stainless steel. And then they of course come with a little marker. These would be great for a family, like I said, or just anyone who loves organization. Another great home gift option is this gallery wall picture frame set. We own this and we hung it up in our living room, and it seriously just added a whole new mood to our living room. We love it. It looks so elegant. We did all black and white photos in it. I couldn't be more happy with it. I'm obsessed, and I think this would be such a great addition to any home. They come in white, black, gold. As long as you know they have a place to put this, you can't go wrong with this. It's just such a nice touch. If you're looking for a gift for the fashionista, this little crossbody bag is a great option. It's kind of like a dupe for the popular Louis Vuitton one. It has like the multiple pouches, so you have the large pouch, the smaller one across, the chain here at the front, and then even the little circular pouch hanging down with the nice utility strap. It goes with so many things. You can get this in a lot of different colors, and it's also really functional. It has a lot of space. It just adds such a unique and edgy look to your outfit. A new makeup bag is always a good gift option as well. The one that I currently use is from Amazon, and I love it. It's like a double layer. So the bottom layer is like mostly open. There are a couple of sections in it. So I have like 3 sections in mine, and then up top it holds all of my makeup brushes. So everything is all in one place. It has a little carrying handle on the top and a long strap for me to throw it over my shoulder. I've traveled with this so much. I love it. It fits so much makeup. So it's a great option for a makeup lover or someone who travels a lot, either one. I saw these really nice shirt jackets for men that I thought would be a great gift option. They come in a lot of different plaid prints, and it basically looks like a flannel kind of, but it has like a gray hood attached with the tassels. So it kind of looks like you're wearing a hoodie or a jacket underneath the flannel. I know not everyone might be into their man wearing something like this, but I feel like a lot of guys really love this style, especially around where I live. So it could be a really nice option for the man in your life, maybe your dad, brother, boyfriend, whatever it is. If someone you know is still on their work from home grind, like a lot of us are, this lap desk is a great gift option. It makes for a really convenient workspace setup. So I like that it has this little handle here. Has a hard space here for you to work and put your laptop, write documents, whatever. You can have your mouse right here. Even has like a little space for your phone, and then it has these little plush parts here for comfort when it's sitting on your lap. So I use this often. I work from home a lot, so this is great. A nice diffuser would be a really cool gift option too for the home. Diffusing is like super popular. It's just a natural way to make your house smell really good, and of course a lot of the oils have like an aromatherapy aspect as well, so they can be good for stress relief or energizing, calming, different things like that. These also just look really nice in the house too, so anything of that sort would be a good gift. You guys know I had to mention my AirPods, you guys. I just had to. I was so skeptical, but then I got them and I was like, these are actually the best headphones I've ever put in my ears. The noise cancellation aspect is crazy. Like I can't even hear someone right in front of me talking, which is great. So if you want to ignore someone, these are perfect. But yeah, if they don't have AirPods and they own other Apple stuff, it's a no-brainer. They're going to love them. You can answer phone calls with this. It'll read you your text messages. The Pros fit in your ears really nicely too. They're not like the traditional headphones that Apple used to give you for free. These actually have like the jelly earbud and stuff. I just love them, so I had to include those. If the person you're buying for has any Amazon Echo devices that use Alexa, then the light strips that you can control with Alexa would be a great gift option. I have them on the back of my mirror. We have some going down our stairs. They're just so fun. You can change them to all different colors. You can actually do fun patterns like for Christmas or Halloween, and you just connect them right to your Echo device and you can say, Alexa, turn on mirror lights, and bam, the lights go on. And then you can also control it in an app if you want to change the colors or anything like that. Another similar option would be like smart plugs. I love the smart plugs that you can control through Alexa. We have one for our living room lamp, and we can turn it on with a voice command. It's really convenient. Anyone who has Echo devices would get a lot of use out of these products. This is kind of like a little southern gift, but I love these little mason jar cups here. They are actual mason jars, and they do come with the mason jar lids, like the wide mouth lids, but then they also come with this white plastic lid here and the chunky gold straw, which make them just like super unique. This comes in a 2-pack. I only brought one down here, but you get the point. They're so adorable. Any like homeowner, like modern kind of girly decorator would love this, or a southerner who loves mason jars. Another fitness related gift is a calorie counter jump rope. Basically, this is just a traditional jump rope that actually counts your calories burned, and I believe it counts like the jumps that you took as well, like how many times you jumped. But this is super cool, just something very unique. I'm almost positive most people don't own this. So if they're into fitness and you know they like jump roping and just doing any like active stuff like that, then this would be a really fun gift to give. The Dash egg cooker is also an amazing gift, especially if the person is on keto or just makes a lot of deviled eggs or eats hard-boiled eggs for breakfast every morning. Like any of those things, if they are cooking a lot of eggs, the Dash egg cooker is the best. We gifted one to my mother-in-law. She loves it, uses it every day. It's basically just a egg cooker where you place the eggs in it, turn it on with like the touch of a button, and bam, your eggs are done. You just have to peel them. Super easy. You can make a lot of different types of eggs with this as well. You can do omelets, over easy, over hard. I know this is going to be controversial, but Crocs are a great gift idea you can get on Amazon. All of the men and women in my life love Crocs. I think it's kind of more of like a southern thing, but they're actually becoming kind of trendy now as well. I have one pair myself that I like to wear up at the lake house when I'm doing more outdoorsy activities, but they're great if you do have a more outdoorsy person that you're buying for. They come in so many different styles and patterns, so definitely give those a look if you are interested. A lash serum is another great gift idea for any girl, really. I mean, what girl doesn't want longer lashes, you know? And these can be pretty pricey, so to receive it as a gift would be amazing. And she can, you know, use it every night and get long, full, voluminous, luscious lashes. The Homesick candles are another good option. You can get these for any state or city in the state. They are just supposed to have like a scent that kind of goes with that area. This would be great for a long distance BFF or maybe a child that doesn't live nearby. You could get them one for their hometown. Just a really cute, sentimental kind of gift. I also love the packaging. Similar to the diffuser, but if you're not interested in like the aromatherapy, like essential oil aspect, just a humidifier would also be a good gift. I have like a little miniature humidifier on my nightstand by my bed, and it's really nice in the winter time to just kind of add a little bit of moisture to the room so my nose doesn't get so dry, my skin, everything like that. These come in all different shapes and sizes and price points, so if you want like a really big one for their whole living room or house, you could get that, or you could just get the miniature one like I have. Either way, I think that would be great. These leopard pajamas are another great gift idea. I know pajamas are super popular for gifting around Christmas time, and I loved these because they're like a leopard print, but they also have the little hearts in there as well. And these are just like a normal, you know, traditional pajama pant. They do have an elastic waistband, and these actually have pockets as well on the pants, so I loved that. And then here is the shirt. It's just like a button-up shirt. It is short sleeve. It has a little pocket on the front as well. Super cute and fun, very affordable and accessible from Amazon. The Revlon One Step Dryer is another great gift option. I actually read a statistic that this was one of the top 5 most sold things on Black Friday. I own one. I actually have it stored away right now, but I love it. It is such a great affordable option to kind of get that blowout look at home. It's basically a hair dryer in the shape of a round brush, so you can really get a lot of volume at your roots and style your bangs, blow dry your hair straight, and all of that stuff. A great gift for someone on the go that maybe packs lunch for work every day is one of those like Been-to-Go or Ben-Go lunch boxes. They are stacked. Basically on the bottom you have like an open portion, and then on the top you have like a smaller like sectioned off container that comes with reusable silverware. And on top of all of that, it just looks really cute. Mine is in like a pink and marble pattern, which I love. You can also get these for kids or any color scheme for men, women, whoever you're buying it for. A nice jewelry option from Amazon is my favorite gold watch that looks so similar to the very expensive Michelle watches. I recommend it all the time. Can't go wrong with this. It just looks like such a nice luxurious jewelry piece, but it's really affordable compared to a lot of other really expensive jewelry pieces. It's such a classic piece. I mean, she will have this in her wardrobe forever. Another faith related gift is this beautiful Word Bible. These are so cool. So basically they are Bibles that have like really pretty designs in them. So first of all, the outside cover is just really pretty in itself, and it also comes with little sticker tabs that you can apply to each book of the Bible to easily find them. Just open it up and it has like all these little cute designs that just make it more fun and interactive to read. And then you also have some sections that just allow for notes, of course. I'm a very visual person and I love beautiful things and art, so something like this makes it a lot more easy for me to understand and go through. So I think a lot of people would love this as well. If you're looking for a comfy cozy gift, the Barefoot Dreams socks or slippers are a nice luxurious kind of comfy gift, but at an affordable price range. I have both the socks and the slippers and I love them both. They are so soft. It is the softest material you will ever feel, and it just feels like literal pillows and just soft plushness on your feet. So either of these would be a great gift idea. It seems a lot more expensive than it actually is, and it's just like a nice gift to give. One thing that's kind of on my wish list this year is a Nest thermostat. I think these are so cool. Basically, it is like the little circle thermostats that you see where you just like twist it and change the temperature. I just want one of these because it's a lot more interactive. You can actually control it from an app on your phone, which is the main reason why I want it. It helps you save on your energy bill so much because you can set it to different schedules. It'll learn the temperature of your house and adjust when it needs to save energy. You can control it even if you're on a vacation in another country. I mean, there's just so many options with this. If the person you're buying for travels a lot, a travel makeup mirror is always a good option. I have this one from Luna, I believe, and I've had this for a while now. The first one I had actually cracked and they kindly sent me another one after I contacted them, which was super sweet. This one is well lit and it actually has a stand that you can fold over so you can just set it up when you're traveling to easily do your makeup at a table. I like the size of this one too. It's pretty large, which for me is important because I like to just have a large mirror when I'm doing my makeup on the go. Super random but super fun. A floating beer pong table if you have like a summer fun kind of person you're buying for. My family has one of these. We use it every single summer on vacation, at the lake house, in the pool, no matter where we're at. This is such a fun game. We'll even create little tournaments and have partners and create a bracket and then see who wins the beer pong tournament. Any like fun kind of like drinking games person is gonna love that. A skincare fridge is always one of my #1 recommended things. If the person you're buying for is into beauty, into skincare, you can't go wrong with this gift idea if they don't already have it. It's just so luxurious. It is just such a like pamper yourself gift. I keep mine in my bathroom. I keep all of my masks, moisturizers, and eye patches in there, and it is just so nice at the end of the day or early in the morning, like going to my fridge and picking out my skincare regimen. Super random, but for the home, a nice carpet cleaner is a good idea. I know this is like kind of not the most exciting and fun gift, but it is very functional and something that a lot of people rave about, this particular carpet cleaner. I've seen it go viral on TikTok even. People love this thing, and apparently it really works well to get up stains or hard to clean carpets. This is something that my husband and I would actually really love to have at our house, so if someone gifted this to us, we would be thrilled, especially if they have pets or kids. You can't go wrong with a gift gift like that. Another really fun idea for teens or a younger crowd is the star projectors. I know a lot of people my age have been really into this lately. It's like, again, went viral on TikTok, but it's basically just a projector that makes your whole room light up with stars everywhere, and it just looks like you're in a different dimension. Really fun idea. Once again, would be great for teens or even smaller children, to be honest. I think this would be really fun. You can make it different colors. Another wine gift that I forgot to mention earlier is the wine chiller. This is something that you actually leave in your freezer, and if you forgot to chill a bottle of wine, you can put it down in the wine bottle and it'll instantly chill your wine, which is really cool. And it actually has like a spout at the top, so you can actually pour your wine directly from the little stick as well while it's still in there. I think that would be a unique thing for a wine lover as well. Another kitchen appliance is the Ninja 5-in-1 appliance. I have seen people rave about this, you guys. As the name suggests, it is 5-in-1. You can do so many different things with this. I think you can do air fryer. It's like an indoor grill. You can do so many different things with this. I'm not even sure all you can do with this, but if you have someone who has like an apartment or a smaller area that they're trying to work with in their kitchen, then you can't go wrong with a gift like this. Like I said, I've heard nothing but good things from people who own this. Another relaxing type gift is like a heated wrap for your shoulders. We gifted one of these to my father-in-law, I believe, and I actually own it as well. I have back problems, and something like this is a lifesaver when I'm going through a flare-up with my back, but it basically covers my whole back, and it even wraps around my shoulders and like snaps at my neck. So it really does just like encompass you in this nice heated material. It's just great for a relaxing gift, or if the person you're buying for does have back problems, then this might be a good option too. The Cocktail Box Company is another great gift option. I love these. I've actually gifted these to my brother before. Basically, it's like a little tin. They're pretty small, which is nice and convenient, especially for traveling. It gives you all the ingredients to make a cocktail, and all you need to add is the liquor or spirits that you need to make that cocktail. So they sell these for Moscow Mules, Old Fashioned, lots of different options, but it's a really cool gift idea. You could gift this with like a set of glasses or a bottle of the liquor they need, whatever the case may be. I think this would be a really fun gift. A nice jewelry case would be a good gift idea for someone who travels often. So I love this one that I own that's white and round, and it actually like expands to have like 4 different sections. This is great for smaller jewelry pieces like stud earrings, little small hoops, or smaller dainty necklaces, different things like that. I actually can fit a lot more than you would think in this little thing. It looks so chic. It doesn't even look like a jewelry organizer. It just looks beautiful. Another jewelry related gift is a jewelry cleaner. So they actually have these like digital jewelry cleaners where you put your jewelry inside, and it's like it has a timer and everything. It'll like completely sanitize your jewelry and let you know when it's done. This is great, especially if someone has like a lot of expensive rings or things that they want to keep looking nice. This is very highly rated, so a lot of people rave about it. Speaking of cleaning, a makeup brush cleansing system is always a good option too. The ones that like spin, where you like put the soap and water in the little bucket and then you attach your makeup brush and it spins it around and just cleans it for you. It makes cleaning your brushes, number one, super convenient and easy, but also really fun, because if you've never used this before, it's kind of fun to like watch it go around and see how it works. So I always love recommending that as a gift idea. A nice little bag set is also a good option for someone who likes to travel. I love this one from Amazon. It comes with this larger clear bag, which is super nice because a lot of times in TSA nowadays, they want things in a clear bag, like snacks or liquids they want in a clear bag. This set also comes with 3 other little sized bags here. So you have the larger one here that actually has like even more compartments on the inside. The little medium one is actually lined, so it's going to be really easy to clean. And then same with the smaller one here. A nice sentimental gift is these little books that say like, Mom, I want to know your story, or they have them for dads as well. I gifted one to my mom for Mother's Day and she loves it. She actually has been taking it over to her parents' house and asking them about some of the things it wants her to write about from childhood. But this is so cool because she can kind of journal and fill it out, and then, you know, one day when it's complete, she'll give it back to me and I will always have that to know her story, her childhood, different things about her. So I think that's so fun. If you are a mom or a grandmother and want to do something similar, there's also this like Life Notes brand where you can write different letters to your child or grandchild, and you can either give them all at once or give them periodically. Either way, I think that is just such a cute, lovely, sentimental gift. Another good option is a record player. I love the look of a record player. If we had room for one in our house, I would love to have something like this. I think they're so unique and cool looking and also functional. I mean, if you like to listen to music a lot in your house, this is great. I think this would be good for someone who just moved into an apartment alone or a new home homeowner or someone who's just really into music, anything like that, this would be great for them. You can get the really cool looking record player, accompany it with a couple of records that they can play immediately. So one awesome gift for the grill master in your life is an electric meat thermometer. I recommended this in my gift guide last year and it was a big hit. So this is basically a meat thermometer that you obviously put into your meat, and it connects to an app on your phone, and it'll tell you the exact temperature, of course, and then it'll tell you, depending on what meat you're cooking, if it's ready or not, the internal temperature that it needs to be. It'll tell you if your steak is well done, medium rare, etc. I think this is super interesting and would be really fun to play around with and see how it works. Matching sets are still so in style, so if you want to go that route and gift the girl in your life a matching set, I love this one from The Drop. It's like a cool tie-dye pattern. I love it, and the fit of this is incredible. It's one of my favorite matching sets that I own. I love wearing these on vacations or lounging around the house for girls trips, whatever it is. You just feel really put together, but you're still really comfy and cozy as well. For the cook in your life, a nice Calphalon pan or wok would be a great gift idea. We love our Calphalon. I mean, I know I've recommended other pans and those are great too, but I will say I always go back to Calphalon. It is the best nonstick that I've ever tried. I love the nice like pan that can almost be like a pot or a pan. It's like this deep. I've also been considering getting a wok. My husband loves to cook like stir fries and stuff like that, so he would love that. Kind of random, but an ice maker is also a good gift idea. This is something that surprisingly a lot of people are interested in buying. I've found that out on my Amazon live streams. It is a really cool concept. If your fridge doesn't make ice or you have trouble with it, or if you just like a particular type of ice, an ice maker is a great gift. You can have like a little nugget ice machine or just one that specializes in crushed ice or just different little shapes and stuff. Depending on your budget, you can really get creative with it, which sounds funny when you're just talking about ice, but you really can. If you have coffee lovers in your life, I know we have not talked coffee at all in this video yet, but I saw this thing that is like a portable espresso maker. That looks so cool. I'm not even like sure how this really works, but I think you put the beans in and then over time it like drips and it makes espresso. It has good reviews, and any coffee lover I think would like to at least try this out. Or if they travel a lot, if they hike or camp, this is something that seems really cool for situations like that. Another coffee related item is just a travel coffee mug. Super basic. You can get a lot of different kinds. I love the Kate Spade ones that have the gold detail on them. I own one of those myself and love it. I like the size and shape and design of it, but you can also go with something like this that has the little handle that like slides on it, which is super convenient because I think you could take that on or off if you need to put it in your cup holder or if you just want to like hold it in your hand. Great gift option for anyone who takes coffee to work often or anything like that. So this is similar to my makeup bag, but a hanging toiletry bag is also another awesome option for the traveler. I love this as well. I travel with this all the time. I actually received this as a gift from my brother and sister-in-law. It has multiple different compartments. This is my favorite way to carry toiletries because once I get to my destination, I literally just hang it on the back of the door and everything I need is right there, from my contacts, toothbrush, shampoo, conditioner, loofah, razor, makeup remover wipes. Everything fits all in one place and it's all really organized. A couple skincare related gifts. First is a facial steamer. If you just really want to gift someone a like pamper yourself, self-care kind of gift, then this is the way to go. This is by Vanity Planet. It has amazing reviews. So here's what it looks like. It would look really cute on their little bathroom counter as well. I love the colors of it. If you don't know what a facial steamer is, it's basically like a very luxurious skincare tool. When you go to get a facial, they will steam your skin so that it absorbs the skincare products better. And that is exactly what this product does, except at home. So you don't have to get a facial to have that added experience of your face being steamed. A great option, like I said, if you want a like pamper kind of gift. Another skincare option is this little set from Saturday Skin. I love that this is just really cute. It comes with 3 little products, and Saturday Skin is a very nice, gentle skincare brand, which is great for gift giving because you don't have to worry about if it's gonna break someone out or be too rough on someone's skin. I really highly recommend this brand for any skin type really, and that would actually make us a great little duo with the facial steamer too. If you wanted to gift those together, they kind of even go together with the color schemes too. A little Dash mini waffle or pie maker is a really cute gift too, especially if the person has kids or maybe it's like a college girl. I think this would be great for them too. Just kind of something cute and fun to play around with. I have the Leopard miniature waffle maker, a really cute Instagrammable kind of moment as well. I also recently got the Dash miniature pie maker, which I actually haven't used yet, but I really want to. That seems so cool. Apparently you can make quiches in this, and of course just like traditional pies, but miniature, which is great, especially if you only have 2 people in your household. We're not gonna eat a whole pie, so the little miniature one is so cool. If you have someone in your life who struggles with like neck pain, muscle pain, back pain, anything like that, the chirp wheels are another great option. We are actually gifting one to someone in our family this year, but they come in multiple different sizes. You can get a set of all 3, or you can just opt for whatever size you think they would use the most. These are like wheels that you can like maneuver on your body, and they help with stretching and pain relief, I guess. I've never personally used one, so if you have used one, let me know what you think, but I think they're kind of unique and just like something cool to try out. And then the last one is so random and such a niche gift, but that is for a man cave, the metal can crusher. My husband was like, this is so cool, you should put it in a gift guide. So here it is. But basically I think you hang it on the wall and you can put a can there and then crush it. Men like destroying things and crushing things, so this might be a good gift just for that reason. But also if you want to crush cans to make them smaller in your trash can, this is also a functional gift as well. Alrighty, you guys, that is everything. I know this was so much to take in, but let me know your favorite gift idea in the comment section down below. I hope you guys have enjoyed my gift guides this year. It seems like you really have. Thank you guys so much for all of the positive feedback. I love you all so much and appreciate your support every single day of my life. So yeah, if you did like this video, give it a thumbs up so that I know, subscribe down below, all of that good stuff. Thank you guys for watching, and I will talk to you very soon in my next video. Bye guys.